Couple of years ago, GitHub released support for OIDC or OpenID Connect for GitHub Actions, allowing developers to securely interact with their infrastructure resources in AWS Cloud. The OIDC support allows GitHub Actions or GHA jobs to retrieve short-lived session tokens on demand rather than using the private key and secret key from AWS as secrets. That is where Tinder Security Labs identified certain configurations when setting up OIDC with GHA could result in vulnerabilities, allowing external actors to get access to vulnerable organizations' cloud infra. In addition to that, they have also written and published a black box assessment tool that monitors and flags when vulnerable configurations are noticed for AWS environments. The tool which you see on your screen is the resultant of that, which is GHA OIDC Scanner. This tool makes sure that uh, that if you have fallen prey to any one of the classic blunder, this will alert you. It is as simple as that. This is already present in this GitHub repo where you can go and also read the source code and all that stuff and install it easily, and you can deploy it in your own organization and see if you are falling prey to any vulnerabilities. This is this GitHub repo also shows you a sample workflow, how it works and how you can use it, and it also shares a sample of the output. So I hope that you like it, and if you are going to use it in the production and commercial use, make sure to read this license. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.